What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Andre King coming at you today, and in the last video, we quickly did a top-down view of how Monday.com can actually help you track all your solicitations and proposals and keep you organized and keep you on top of your game. And so in today's video, I'm just gonna delve a little bit deeper, had a few more days to play with it, and actually took this to a client of mine and helped them to get some of their solicitations in. And actually, instead of talking, let's just go ahead and take a look. And so as you can see here, we've got so many solicitations that were of course imported, and we use primarily the same columns that we had. And if you didn't check out that last video, then the link's here right above. But we see that there's various projects. Basically, this column can be changed to whatever name suits it, and got a few, or one particular joint venture that was submitted, work in progress, and then we renamed this to no go. But one big thing that we can see is that we had this integration tab that we talked about last time, but let's actually see it in action. So this organization actually has a Slack channel, so went ahead and combined that. And if we take a look here, we can see that there's basically two different automations that are set up here. And that's basically when the status changes to anything, notify the owner. And when the due date arrives, this is just again in test mode to notify myself. And if we wanted to go ahead and update, it's pretty easy, pretty cool, and pretty seamless to just basically click on any of these items that are highlighted. And then we could actually pick the specific status, or we could add a different column and basically change that name from status. And of course, you play around with that here. And if we had members invited, we could actually change who gets notified. But for now, pretty much have myself as the owner. So that, of course, keeps it pretty short and simple until we're ready to go. And this is actually what the notification looks like, the automated notification, at least on the email portion. The client asked me not to show their Slack channels, so definitely obliged to that. But we see here, this is basically the same pop-up notification that we get, the name of that solicitation, and that, of course, the work in progress, and that this is actually due today. So if we go back to our board and scroll down, we do see the work in progress, that this acquisition support services is actually due today on March 25th. So basically does its job. If you got your head down and you're busy and life definitely gets the best of us, then this keeps you informed and notified so that you can just, without remembering or checking your notes, say, oh, that's right, that is due today. We've got it all shored up. Let's go ahead and hit submit and get that one out of here. And so it's pretty much like having a personal administrator right there along with you. And like I said, I think Monday.com has an excellent tool for this specific purpose of tracking the solicitations, especially as the numbers continue to compound and grow. But truthfully, whatever tool works for you, then use it to the best of your ability. And when it starts to lack the functionalities or different tools that you want, then that's when you may need to go and see what else is out there to basically take you to whatever level you're trying to get to. But stay on top of all of your solicitations, past, present, and future, so that if any information is needed, you've got it all right there in front of you. So, and I just want to continue to encourage each one of you out there to just take it one day at a time and one step at a time. And so I know you're blessed, and that contract win is right around the corner. But thank you so much for all of your support. And until next time, stay safe, take care of yourselves. Peace.